Hello friends, welcome to another video of Poems of Homeo. I hope the last 3 videos were helpful in learning materia medica and they help you frame a proper answer for exams also. So today I'll be reciting you a poem about carcinosinum. But before that, as I always say, some prerequisite knowledge is must. So here we begin. Carcinosin is a nosode made from cancerous breast tissue. The main theme, as explained by Dr. Sankaran, is that it belongs to cancer miasm, which falls between psychosis and syphilis. The main idea is a deep-seated pathology without many local symptoms, along with strong positive, hopeful, and strong willpower. The most common concomitant found in most cases of carcinosin is sleeplessness in present or past phases of life. The main state is of a deep suppression and deep control, almost masking the actual inner turbulent state. The carcinosin patient has a desire for change and routine seems boring. The person feels a need for cleanliness and fastidiousness. The carcinosin child is the ideal child, whom we humorously recognize as Sharma ji ka ladka nowadays, and also a child who is a victim of very strict upbringing. The child is well behaved and well mannered. The person feels a need to be strong, graceful, and full of strength. Sentimental and romantic music, beautiful scenery, seashores, and paintings are strong sensitivity for carcinosin patient. Carcinosin patients show a variety of cravings: eggs, fat, milk, but most importantly, chocolates. They feel general amelioration by seashore, thunderstorm, and lightning. In general, we can find history of great suppression and abuse during childhood. Let's begin with our poem. He has fair complexion and blue sclera and numerous moles on skin, with amelioration from seashore, thunderstorm, and lightning. He had to endure the suppression of his developing personality during childhood. He tried so hard and wished to succeed if he could. Upbrought by anxious and strict parents, having great expectations from him, he made so many efforts, but all they could see is that he is still dim. His survival depends on performing tasks which he feels incapable of performing. He stretched himself to the utmost in a hope to succeed and be something. He always strived to be perfect. He had cravings for eggs, fat, milk, and chocolate. Need of perfection making him sensitive to reprimands. Development of ailments of respiratory tract and recurrent allergies is what his body tends. He could be this or he could be that. He could also be the one who defends himself and also show a violent act. I hope you like this short poem and you find it helpful in learning. If you are new to this channel, then do check out the links of other videos in the description box and show some support. Also, along with the poems, I also post videos which contain short interviews of random people who have been benefited with homeopathy, so that people can hear them and gain confidence in this system of medicine.